can see, I'm up here at the trailhead, and that is Willard Bay right out there. And we're gonna head on up this canyon and see if we can find the waterfall. So here we go. Charlie and I just hiked up the steep hill, and I was hoping I could kind of climb up over there and look over and kind of down to the falls. But it's really loose, sketchy rock. I'm not sure I feel comfortable doing it on my own. I have no cell service up here, so I don't know if it's a good idea. I think I'm gonna call it right down here at these falls. I'll take you guys down there right now. So that was my first time hiking up Willard Creek Canyon. I was expecting to be able to get to the waterfall. I'm a pretty experienced hiker, but I didn't feel safe doing that on my own. Some of the rocks are just iced over because once you get further up in the canyon, it's all in the shade. So I didn't feel comfortable with that. Crossed over to where I last talked to you guys and was hoping I could kind of climb up and then look down. But it was just so steep and loose rock, so I didn't like that either. But on the plus side, I think this would be a great hike in the middle of summer. You could come up here, you know, wear your water shoes, play in the water a little bit, but it would still be really hard to get to the waterfall because you'd have to climb up those cascades I showed you. So even then, you would still need, I don't know if people are rappelling or what to get there, but I couldn't make it, so I'll have to go back online and see what other people were doing to get up there. But definitely a nice, cooler hike and great for the dogs. Really nice, clear creek. And you get these amazing views of Willard Bay as you hike out. So overall, not too bad, something new, but I don't know if I would come back here again. Let's go on to our next destination, which will be another waterfall. Stay tuned. All right, so we've arrived to our second trail for the day. We're heading up to the Davis Creek Waterfall. waterfall. See you guys.